It's a brand new Sir Spooks, 11 scary videos that left people speechless. I actually think there's like only a limited number of titles that you can do for videos like these. Scared them to sleep. Shouldn't watch alone. Like, I don't know. They're so goofy. I miss Sir Spooks. We haven't done a Sir Spooks one in a minute.
My name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 11 scary videos. But before we begin, for more scary content.
Already done. Alright, the numbers match up, so we're good. I'm gonna probably give him for that one video.
The first video we'll be having a look at today comes to us from a TikTok account known as DocsHouse23.
Oh, it's so relieving, dude. All the other people getting big accounts that have like 600,000 followers and stuff. It's haunted house _ spooky, like stupid like that. Like, obviously it's gonna be a fake video. We'll show like 8 videos from one person and be like, oh my god, it's spooky, paranormal.
We watch as several family members wander around the house, simply going about their business like any ordinary day. But while they're doing this, something very unusual is happening that may be hard to notice.
That's a nice house. I mean, couldn't we have cut this out? We're just... Don't tell me it's that. It's that little white thing. Come on. I mean, that is a little bit weird. That is kind of weird, though.
Did you see it? Throughout the footage, there appears to be some sort of strange, orb-like object floating around the room. Most of the time, videos like this can be explained away as dust or insects passing in front of the camera. But this particular orb stands out because of how visible and consistent it appears throughout the clip.
Bro, but it's moving like a fly though. It's not even, it's literally moving like a fly would. So I'm really thinking that's just some sort of a bug.
Because of how visible and consistent it appears throughout the clip. The way it moves through the room is what makes the footage feel especially strange, almost as if it's deliberately drifting around the family while they remain completely unaware of it. A second video was uploaded later on, showing even more unsettling activity.
Is it's the same thing?
This time outside near the back of the house. Pay close attention to the lower left-hand corner.
Damn, nice house. These people balling out. Oh, I missed it.
Right around here, what appears to be a dark shadow figure can briefly be seen lingering near the edge.
Ring camera. Come on, bro. Now you had a fly, and then it's a ring camera glitch. I mean,
of the frame before disappearing from view. It's possible there could be a more ordinary explanation behind what's being seen in both clips.
Oh, he's pulling out the skeptic side. What? It's been, bro, he has not done that in one of the recent videos in a minute.
Especially considering how security cameras can distort lighting, shadows, and movement at night. Even so, the combination of the orb footage and the figure appearing outside is enough to make the videos feel difficult to ignore.
Easily ignore this. Like, I mean, that's not crazy. Bro, I'm so glad he did that. That makes me happy. Like, even if it's a terrible clip, I'll be fine with that. As long as you're like, oh, well, it could be this. I'm all right with that. Just don't go they go so heavy into it. They're like, oh, it spawned from this thing because she died 2 years ago and their parents. So I don't know. It's just like, it's too much.
A YouTuber known as Stanatar555 uploaded a video to the short section of the platform in June of 2018 that sees him filming something very bizarre while at his sister's house at 3 in the morning.
What are you doing up? He's tripping.
In the video, we watch as Stanatar films the lamp sitting on the desk in front of him. As we can clearly see, the lamp is completely turned off. However, when he pans the camera over toward the mirror, the reflection of the lamp somehow appears to be lit up. Stanatar also clarified in the description that no other light sources were turned on in the room at the time of the recording. So why is the lamp appearing to be on in the mirror when it's clearly off?
That's just gotta be an angle thing.
Off in reality. The whole thing feels almost like something out of the Twilight.
And I don't think it's like a light. I almost think it's like shining off of, There has to be a light source on. It's not dark in the room. What are you talking about? There's no other light source on. Then it would be so dark we couldn't see anything. Like, what are we talking about? That actually makes no sense. That makes 0 sense.
Highlight zone. Some viewers have also pointed out what looks like a possible figure underneath the table, though it's difficult to make out clearly.
Now we're just making things up completely. Like, just because you're about one thing, you're caught up on one thing, you make up a whole story about this.
A second part was uploaded the following night, and this time we see this.
Oh, it's gone. Now it's not doing it. Stop with the music, though. What is it?
On night 2, everything appears to be completely normal again, with the reflection matching the room exactly as you'd expect.
No, you just changed the angle. I thought it was going to be a whole thing. I'm getting upset now.
One possible explanation is that the lamp may still have had a small amount of current running through it, causing a faint glow that wasn't visible from Danatar's angle in the...
Okay, the first part's a little bit unnecessary. I mean, it was on, or it wasn't, and that's like reflection from another light source. That's the only option that we have. There wasn't like phantom power left in the lamp. I mean, that's kind of...
But could still be picked up through the camera and reflection. Some older or lower quality LED lights are known to continue glowing slightly, even after being switched off. Still, the contrast between the two videos is pretty strange, especially with how clearly the reflection appears.
Bro, it's making me like nauseous, him constantly doing the same back and forth motion. I'm kind of good off that. I'm glad he took the skeptic side, even though it's not a reason I would agree with.
Photos that are, well, exactly as the name suggests. And this post made by user AlFuriousCXII is no exception. The video, filmed by the uploader himself, shows him standing inside a children's museum in front of some kind of thermal camera display. At first, everything appears perfectly normal, but when he steps back for a moment, things suddenly become a lot stranger.
I don't know what's going on there. It could be any. I have no idea what that like technology even is, dude. I mean, that could be like a blurred out logo. That could look like a body. It could look like a lot of things. I mean, these have all been really goofy so far.
The unsettling part is how human-like the outline appears, especially because it seems to show up only after the uploader moves away from the screen.
Okay, I'm gonna skip that one. That one's kind of... Ooh, 4 on 8, and we haven't got a single good one yet.
Reddit user Ben4333 posted a video to the Alien subreddit a couple of weeks ago to share footage reportedly filmed over Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada on April 19th, 2026. For the first few seconds of the clip, we watch as Ben records the nighttime activity around him before panning the camera upward and revealing something pretty mesmerizing.
That was a horrible quality, though. Dude, it's so pixelated. I feel like you could just manipulate this footage any way that you want, and it would look fine. Well, get your camera right, buddy. I don't know. I don't know what that would be. I mean, that could be like a weather instrument or a drone. It could totally be an alien too. I like that it's a Nellis Air Force Base. I feel like that's a little bit more believable. And it says 2026.
A glowing object with a very unusual shape can suddenly be seen hovering in the sky above the base. The object appears almost disc-like.
I mean, it could be just because it's so far away. It looks like this pixelated and awful. So actually, this is a pretty good video. I have not seen this before, but it could be fake though. This could just be like a project video.
Unfortunately, Ben never really expanded on the sighting in the comments, so there's very little context surrounding what was actually happening during the recording.
See, but if this was real, you'd be talking about this. I mean, you'd be saying something about it, posting something about it. Him to just go cold makes me feel like this was a project. So, I mean, good project, good video, just not scary or disturbing.
In this video posted to TikTok on April 22nd, 2026, a user known as Poor Just Ryan explains that he had just pulled into his driveway when he noticed something strange. The lights inside his shed were somehow turned on. Ryan says he hadn't even been inside the shed in 3 days, so naturally he was confused as to why the lights would suddenly be on.
It's just a boring TikTok setup.
After parking his car, he decides to head over and investigate for himself. What's interesting is that Ryan doesn't appear to react at all, suggesting
it could be added after.
He likely didn't hear it at the time of recording.
Yeah, that's why, because he added it in editing.
A little later.
I mean, it's a good for a TikTok. It's like I just said, it's a good story for a TikTok, but this is not. This is definitely not real. Oh, of course. No, there's going to be another video. Of course.
How did my dog just get outside?
Now we're just, how did my dog get outside? Bro, you left him outside. You left the lights on here so you could do this cute little thing. That was the play. All right, come on, Sir Spooks. I mean, I'm putting you on a little bit of a pedestal here.
Reddit user Lazy Strawberry 07 posted a video to the Paranormal Encounters subreddit, in which they explained that their father-in-law caught this footage inside his house while nobody else was home.
This feels set up right off rip. Who puts a camera here?
At the beginning of the video, one of the closet doors suddenly swings open on its own before eventually shutting again. A few moments later, a second door opens by itself, followed shortly after by the first door opening once more.
Bro, I've been saying there's gotta be like a device you can get that's like a little remote thing that'll push it. Like there's gotta be something that will automatically open these manual doors. That's how these people make these videos. The light flicker is just obvious, smart bulb. You can do that from your phone. Nah, that's definitely fake.
Followed shortly after by the
probably to build value on this house because you couldn't sell it. Let me make it haunted and people will pay over.
Door opening once more. According to the uploader, the closet only contains a washing machine and dryer.
Okay, yeah. No, we know there's nothing. There's no room in there. No one could be sitting on top because nobody is. You don't have to. 5 left. We haven't got a single good one.
This next video was actually featured on my channel several years ago, but I figured it would be worth revisiting since it's been such a long time.
We may have seen this.
The video was posted to YouTube on April 5th, 2009 by a user known as Ericus Maximus and shows a man riding around on an ATV somewhere in Gum Hill, West Virginia. At first, the man appears to be having a great time driving through the rocky terrain.
I don't think we've seen this.
Even riding directly through a creek at one point. But right about here is where things start to get very strange.
That looks so fun, dude. I'd be so down for that. He's taking it well, too. Oh.
What was that?
A tall, lanky and hairy figure can suddenly be seen walking directly in front of the man on the ATV.
Are we trying to say this is Bigfoot?
At first, it seems like he doesn't notice it, but
thought
he
we were
eventually
over
comes
that.
to a complete stop and begins pointing frantically in the direction of the figure, while the cameraman asks aloud, "What was that?" The reaction from the two persons is what really makes the clip stand out. Whatever they saw clearly caught them off guard. Of course,
I mean, that could be anything, though. I mean, that could be like their friends that passed, and he's like, "Oh, that's Mike. He just went that way." I don't know. I don't know these people. I don't know why you guys are here.
most common theory is that the figure could be some kind of a Bigfoot-like creature, especially considering its
No, it looks like just somebody that he recognized, and he's like, "Oh my God, it's Susan."
height and overall appearance. Some viewers have also pointed out that the setup itself feels fairly elaborate for a simple hoax.
I mean, it's not. Oh, come on, you're just misperceiving. Like, we're just not picking up what's here. I mean, we're making things up. So no, that was lame. Bro, it was Department of War UFO video.
Over the past
We've seen this, I think, on Sir Spook's channel. No, I watched too many of these. I can't tell anymore. I don't know which channel we saw that on. So I'm gonna skip
a
it.
TikToker known as JesselDo
We've seen this one too. That was just on a recent video too. Damn. You can go back in that ones if you haven't seen it, but I'm not gonna watch it again.
This next video comes to us from a TikTok account known as Tranquility Botanicals and shows a mother simply trying to put her baby down to sleep for the night, but it's clear something strange may also be happening in the room.
I'm right off rip thinking she has incentive to kind of fake something here. So, especially if he's like, "Oh, that's not the only video," I'm immediately just gonna say fake. Not the orb again. Come on, man. Oh, the ball's moving.
We watch as the mother gently places her baby down for the night before slowly noticing that the jog ball sitting in the room appears to be moving all by itself. A while later, the account owner uploaded a follow-up video in an attempt to show viewers that the footage was authentic,
Okay, I'm glad she's testing it out here, because there was a few things I was gonna say.
demonstrating that it wasn't the wind or some other obvious environmental factor causing the ball to move.
Bro, she got like 12 comments that people were just like, "Oh, the door, a gust or a draft."
Where are you?
Oh,
Hold on, I'm trying to prove something.
it rolled a little.
I'm trying to prove something.
Can I hang out with you?
Yes.
Oh, that's exactly what I was doing.
Yeah. Observe.
Well, then here, and then. Let's do what you do.
Somebody was trying to say that. Well, there's a gap between the.
Yeah, of course there's a gap. There's a gap in every single house.
I know. So that's what
So
I
then
was
here,
showing.
I'll do what you do.
Okay, well now we're not even focusing on the. I mean, he's just parenting at this point. But wasn't there like a fan going? It sounded like there was a fan going. Like, what is this right here? Does that not sound like there's a fan actively on? And then her standing right there, like probably blocked, the breeze, and then it directed towards the ball and moved the ball a little bit. Why they were like, "Oh yeah, well, debunked, we're good." Like, no, the ball moved. So you just created a stronger draft than the door is producing. Just find out where that was at. This one's silly. These are all kind of silly. Oh no, I think this was on a bizarre bug.
Yes,
I can't end on a skip. I can't end on a skip. That's a loophole, I guess. Yeah. Dude, his cap completely blows off of his head. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's no like physical way I feel like you could actually do that. Like, that would be the coolest magic trick ever. Like, how would you make that work? I mean, this one's definitely a really good video, but it was in the thumbnail, so I guess I should have known it was coming. I just like Sir Spook, so I'm gonna give him a break on this one, but man, these were not fantastic. So yeah, next video.